time to pause and think, and to check your outlook. Is it filled with self-love, self-acceptance, inspiration? And have you checked what the world took? Greenery. Greenery. We all need greenery to clear the air, to feel the soothing breeze on our face and hair. Greenery looks good on everyone. Natural surroundings, a beautiful reminder that life began. Nature, simplicity at its best, yet also complicated and strong, overcoming man-made tests. Our minds yearn for the sanctuary of green. Let's look further at what I mean. Most of us cannot handle the truth. Listening to reply, not to understand, sucking our tooth. The high hazardous bioweapons coming our way is the hidden agenda for diverse communities today. Truth has become a problem, destroying the mental balance. We're living in reverse, not complaining, living in silence. Have we got comfortable in this shift to a prison, deluding ourselves they are doing it for a good reason? Take back your personal power. Do the unexpected. We do need each other. The world is interconnected. We're the expert in our own lives, doing all that we can to survive. But buried feelings keep clawing their way to the top, and there's nothing you can do to make them stop. We have to deal with them once and for all. Otherwise, they will make you feel inadequate and small. Take your feelings seriously, but realize they will pass. They are telling you something. You can leave them or deal with them fast. We have time now to study our deepest thoughts. In the business of life, in what ways did we get caught? Are we loving our best lives? Or doing what we want to do? Or are you twiddling your thumbs and don't have a clue? We've been busy tuning into the world that will pass. Now it's time to live your dreams at last. Are you connecting to your inner self? with the help of nature? How do you see your life? Are you taking in that deep breath? And are you releasing all that doesn't serve you? Are you near water? Does the sun shine on your face? Are you grounding? How are you using nature? Do you see it as you look out of the window? Or is it a concrete jungle? Do you see greenery? Do you see the sky? Do you see a river, a waterfall? What do you see? Does your environment help you? Does it relax you? Do you look forward to be in your environment? Do you need to change your environment? As you think of the things that you need to change in your life, the thought may be heavy, but transformation is liberating. It may seem uncomfortable, but if you need to make the changes, make them. Protect yourself with calmness. Stay well. Don't look to the outside world to provide it. Have confidence within your own self. Breathe. Set your solid foundation for the future to help you move forward. If you can, stay close to nature. Surround yourself with greenery. Breathe. Take time to make the decisions that will help you for the rest of your life.